Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why making iodine at home is not a safe or practical endeavor. Attempting to synthesize iodine without proper training and equipment can lead to severe chemical burns, explosions, or toxic gas exposure. Industrial processes use controlled environments and specific precursors that are not available for household use. Understanding these risks is crucial for your safety. The chemicals needed for iodine synthesis, like strong acids and oxidizing agents, are highly corrosive and toxic. Mixing them incorrectly can generate hazardous gases, such as hydrogen iodide, which is extremely irritating to the respiratory system. Without a fume hood and personal protective equipment, you risk serious chemical burns, eye damage, and lung irritation. It's simply not worth the danger. Commercially, iodine is typically extracted from natural sources like underground brines or processed seaweed. These methods involve complex industrial processes, including oxidation, reduction, and purification steps, all performed in controlled environments. Specialized facilities ensure the safe handling of large quantities of chemicals and manage waste products responsibly. This scale and expertise are impossible to replicate at home. For any legitimate need, it is always safest to purchase iodine from certified chemical suppliers or pharmacies. For dietary intake, iodine is readily available in iodized salt, seafood, and dairy products, ensuring safe consumption. Remember, your health and safety are paramount. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can really help simplify your daily routine and keep your food fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.